What's up, Shacks? Welcome back. The month of October is really packed, so let's see what it's got for us. October 3rd brings us the LG V40 ThinQ. It's likely to come with triple rear cameras like the Huawei P20 Pro, but unlike it, LG might also drop two front-facing cameras on this one. That's 5 cameras in total, the first of its kind. But keep watching till the end as you'd see someone who might beat this record. It's got a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, and powering this whole setup is the Snapdragon 845 with 6GB of RAM. Just a day after, on October 4th, Nokia reveals something. No one is actually sure what Nokia has in store for us, but it most likely could be the Nokia 7.1 Plus, an upgraded version of the Nokia 7 Plus. It could also be the long-awaited Nokia 9, which is rumored to have 5 rear cameras. Now, what is it you were saying, LG? Okay, thus much. Aside not knowing what smartphone is going to be launched, very little is known about both phones, so we'd have to wait till the 4th to see what the surprise is. As for the Nokia 9, which has 5 rear cameras, that's a nightmare for trypophobics. October 16th has the Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro. The Pro comes with a triple rear camera setup, another one, P20 Pro and now the Mate 20 Pro, big ups Huawei. It's also rumored to have an in-display fingerprint scanner, wireless charging, and comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. We also suspect something big and cool. You could be able to charge wirelessly the Huawei FreeBuds 2 Pro on the back of your Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Now how's that for prestigious? This, ladies and gentlemen, is the PewDiePie of smartphones. Finally, on October 11th, Samsung launches. Samsung will for sure reveal at least one smartphone this October, but we don't know which it's going to be. From rumors and speculations, it seems to be the A7. Although it's just got revealed, Samsung might use this opportunity to officially launch and broaden its reach in more countries. The phone might feature triple cameras and a fingerprint sensor mounted, no, not at the back and not underneath the screen, but in style on the side of the phone. Now how's that for picture? Okay, I said this earlier. Well, that ends it for some of the best picks of October 2018. There are other launches like the HTC U series and also the iPhone XR, but these are what I think are the best. Subscribe, like and share. Peace out and stay safe.